tiny tugboat. Mighty tiny, but he's mighty Toot. The tiny tugboat, he can get you home. When you're stuck and out of luck, Toot can pull you through. And if we pull together, there's nothing we can't do.
Toot to the rescue! Heave ho! Let's go!
Toot the tiny tugboat, mighty tiny, but he's mighty. He's a hoot and strong to boot. He's Toot the tiny tugboat.
Morning, Toot. Marge?
Hi, Wayne. Marge has some crates that need unpacking.
Can you come back next Thursday, Toot? I'm not in the mood today.
What?
Only joking.
Are you in one of your silly moods, Wayne?
Yeah, I think I am.
I think I'm in a bit of a silly mood too. Look out! Flying seaweed!
Now it's flying back at you, Toot.
Got me!
Oh, let's play my new game. Twirly round time. Way! Whoa, 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 whoa.
I've got to try that! Yay! Whoa, whoa. Oh, everything's still all twirly.
How's the unloading going, you lot?
All fine, Harbour Master. Oh.
Oh, it's one of those days, is it? Well, you better save your silliness till later. This unloading needs finishing, and then Ken Toyne has an important job for Toot and Wayne. OK, Harbour Master. Yay!
What are you up to, Gus?
I'm being silly, Blue Claw. You know, just general silliness.
I've never seen the point of being silly.
It's fun. You ought to try it.
I really wouldn't know how.
That's all right. I can teach you.
Oh, if you insist.
Whoa! Ken Toyne! What's all this?
This, Toot, is everything you need to build a wind turbine. And that's what you'll be doing today. We need one just outside the harbour.
Whoa!
When it's built, it'll provide enough cheap and safe electricity for the whole harbour.
Great! But I don't know if my winch is big enough to lift it all into place.
Oh, don't worry, Toot. You're going to have some help.
Hello again, Toot.
Wayne! That's right. The harbour master said the job was for the two of us. But how is Wayne's arm going to stretch outside the harbour?
Oh, it's not Toot. You're going to pull him out there on this platform.
Great!
I haven't been out to sea before.
The mooring foundations are in place. So, Toot, you'll have to use your radar attachment to find them, so then Wayne can build the turbine.
Rightio! Yay! Woo!
Oh, I heard you two were in a silly mood, but you'd better save it till later. This is a serious job.
Oh, OK, Ken Toyne.
No more silliness from us until the job's done.
Right. The first lesson is how to pull a funny face. What you do is relax, and then...
Ah, yes, I see.
That's great, Blue Claw. The silliest face I've ever seen. You're a natural.
I haven't started yet, Gus.
Oh, oops.
Yeah, absolute shut.
OK, back there, Wayne the crane?
Just fine, Toot the tiny tugboat. All serious and ready to work.
Hey! It's getting a bit choppy.
Oh, I haven't seen waves like this before.
They're great fun. Come on, I'll show you.
Oh,
Here's another one.
that was was great fun, mate.
Told you. Oh, I think we're at the turbine site. Yes, right here.
Oh, let's get to work then. Good time. Toot, who's this supposed to be? Oh, I don't like getting dirty.
It's Brian. A little to the left, Wayne. That's it. Who am I?
It reminds me of the time I sailed to the moon.
That is so Graham, mate.
Ooh, don't drop it, Wayne. Look out. Oh, it's going to slip. Oh, no. Only joking. Oh, no.
Toot, don't make me laugh. I almost did drop it. Oh, there we go.
Now fit the hub, robot Wayne.
Will do, robot Toot. Me. That's heavy.
Twirly round time gets better the faster you twirl. Yay!
Really? Yeah. Oh, no!
Oh, we've lost the propeller. And the waves are getting choppier. Oh, I can't stay still to find it.
Oh, it's a disaster.
Let's try making silly noises.
How delightful.
Oh, it's quite easy, really. You just shout the first thing that comes into your head. Now, your turn.
Okay. Ooh. Tum tum tum. Ping pong poo.
Now, that's no good. Come on, Blue Claw. The silliest thing you can think of.
Seaweed?
Oh, really silly that, Blue Claw. It's off the scale.
Our silliness has messed everything up, Toot. The turbine won't be fitted and the harbour won't get its electricity.
There's still time to put this right, Wayne. We have to stop being silly and get to work. Seriously.
Let's do it, Toot the tiny tugboat.
Okay, Wayne the crane. Now, if I can keep myself steady in these choppy waters, my radar should be able to find the propeller. Nope, not there. Not over here. Ah! Found it! It's lodged down deep, Wayne. But you should be able to catch it.
Okay.
A little to my left, Wayne. That's it!
Yeah, I got it.
Now lift it into place. Heave ho! Let's go!
Right, here we go. Up there. We did it!
Congratulations, Wayne the crane.
We did it together, Toot the tiny tugboat. I thought they'd be back by now.
Here they are.
All done.
And the propeller's playing twirly round time.
Let's see if we're getting any electricity yet.
Yay! Brilliant work, you two. Well done for putting the silliness aside and getting the job done. In fact, when we get Wayne off the platform, the two of you can go and spend the rest of the day being as silly as you like.
Thank you, Harbour Master. But there's a time to be silly, a time to be serious, and a time for sleeping.
I'm with you there, Toot, mate.
Okay, Blue Claw, you're not very good at silly faces or silly noises, But maybe you should try doing them both together.
Sounds dreadful.
Pulling a funny face helps you make funny noises. Now, watch.
I think I'll give all this a miss, Gus.
Oh.
It's really not for me.
Really?
Pop up.
You don't know what you're missing? Oh, come back.